Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lawofattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I will be letting you guys know what I noticed about when I actually receive my biggest manifestations and what is it about that I have done different. Basically, you're wondering, okay, there's something that I really want, and what can I do to make it come? Because this is like one of the big things that I want. And it doesn't have to be something crazy like $84 million. You could be really wanting to hear from somebody and have a conversation with somebody, but it's something that is near and dear to your heart. So to you, it's big, right? So in today's video, I'm going to be letting you guys know what has happened that triggered my manifestation to come. If you really want something, like I said, I don't care how big it is, there's something that you've been trying to manifest and you want it to come into your life, go ahead and hit the like button on this video. And to focus on the positivity. What is your favorite thing that has happened to you today? Leave it in the comments. And as you know, before I start my videos, I read a testimonial before my videos to give that little spark so you can get back in there and start feeling good again about your journey to co-create whatever it is that you want. Okay. Okay, this was emailed to me by a young lady. She says, "Hi Amber, hope all is well. Just wanted to tell you about a month ago I used their scripting package and wanted to make $2,000 a month. And recently I received an abundance of income. Making $2,000 in 3 days is a new normal for me from multiple streams of income. I just want to say thank you for all that you do. It's so easy to manifest money now." She says, "Thank you Amber, I'm only 23 and you literally helped me change my life so much from quitting my job to working for myself in a short period of time. I can't thank you enough." And of course you can, because I asked her, I was like, can I share it? So that's amazing. 23 years old, from just wanting to make $2,000 a month, making $2,000 in 3 days. All of my law of attraction tools are going to be linked in my description box, including the guided scripting sheets she was referring to. And there's 16 different subjects. And I also have a bundle with my How to Manifest ebook to get everything going. It's going to be linked in my description box and you can download it at any time. If you have any issues with your orders, say you enter your email incorrectly, use the contact page on my website and I will help you get your order to you as soon as possible. But let's get into it. I had to really sit back and think about this. What brings my biggest manifestations to me? What is in common? Like there is something about it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. My biggest manifestation, my biggest desires, things that I have really wanted. It could be from money. It could be from relationships. What did I do to trigger my manifestation to come? I gave up. Naturally, low-key gave up and I was kind of like, whatever. Certain things I am a firm believer in. If it's for you, it's for you. And if it's not, it's not. But in my head, I was like, you know what? Maybe this is a certain thing that's just not for me, or it's just not for me right now. So naturally, I'm like, all right, look, I'm gonna keep it moving. I'm good regardless of if I have it or not. But the moment I did that, I found that my manifestation ended up coming shortly after. I could give so many examples, but the mind-blowing one that just like is starting to like come into fruition is attention from this guy that I used to entertain like years ago. I'm talking about years ago. And for a minute I was kind of like stuck on like wanting to talk to him, and I remember trying to manifest him like I would say a few years ago, right? Now I've moved on. I'm in a happy living relationship. I'm actually good where I'm at, you feel me? But I remember saying years ago, I was like, I just want him to notice how good I look. I want him to notice like I'm good without him. You know, the typical, like I want him to see me like, look, I look good. And mind you, we're not friends on social media. We're not friends on Facebook. We're not friends on Instagram. We don't follow each other. We're not friends on Snap or anything like that. So it's kind of like far-fetched. You feel me? And the Twitter account that he had, he wasn't even using it. So one day last week, I wake up and it said, so-and-so liked your picture. It was a Twitter notification, right? And I was like, he has a common name. I'm gonna say his name was Chris, right? It said, Chris liked your profile picture. I was like, what? And in my head, when I first woke up, I was like, Chris who? And then I get on, I said, I know you lying. I know you are lying. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm tripping. So I go to his page, I clicked on his profile picture. I said, wow, I want to be noticed by him years ago. Now I'm at the point where I really don't care if I'm noticed by him. Like, you feel me? Like, I'm good. But anyway, that was just a small example. But anything like that I couldn't stop thinking about and I really wanted, I naturally just gave up. And how do you get to that point? How do you get to that point where you're just like, you know what? It's whatever. You have to know that you are fine with or without you having that thing. So you have to find satisfaction with the life that you're living now, without it. And typically when that happens, you're no longer thinking about whatever it is that you want. Like, you're detached from the idea of having that thing. And a part of manifestation is detaching. So if you focus on your reality, what's in front of you, you're focused on your present instead of thinking too far in the past or too far in the future, your manifestations will end up coming. Show gratitude to the life you have now. Find things you're grateful for now. Small things. It doesn't have to be something crazy big. But show gratitude, show love, show appreciation for what you have now, and focus on that. And soon you'll find yourself kind of detaching from the idea of having whatever it is that you wanted anyway. And typically when that happens, it comes. I had to speak on that because I know there's certain people that want something so bad and it is burning a hole in your heart because you don't have it yet, and there's anxiety around it. But yeah, detach. It's like, I'm good with or without this. So like, if it comes, that's cool. If it doesn't, that's cool too. But yeah, I'm Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/lovegal and law-of-attraction-blueprint.com. Thank you for all the love, all the shares, all the comments, all the new subscribers. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to get notified about when I drop new content. I hope you have an amazing day. Like I said, my Law of Attraction tools are for download in my description box, and I will see you guys later.